Hey everyone, Robin from Autogeek. Today joining me is Jason Rose from RUPES, and we've got a lot of questions today. I think we're going to talk about some sanding and maybe some of your products here.
Yeah.
So Jason, tell me about what I would need to know for the basics of sanding and what would be the purpose of it.
Well, I mean, most people, most professional detailers, most car enthusiasts working on cars, when you say the word sanding, they think of the most aggressive thing you can do on a car. But with today's technology in foam discs, and this is a certain type of sandpaper, has a foam substrate and a different type of abrasive. So with this technology, it's actually not that scary. It's not that invasive on the surface. We have this boat behind us. We did 2 steps with this sanding product on that boat, and it really prepares for the polishing in a way that makes it easier.
Okay, it seems intimidating.
Yeah, I mean, sanding, most people think, oh my gosh, that's scary. But as you know, we taught some students here at a class recently, and it takes a few minutes to learn how to do this. It's actually not that complicated.
So walk me through the process. You said we have a couple different discs here.
Yeah, there's 2 versions. There's actually 3 different grit levels. There's 1500 foam. This is the RUPES X-Cut brand. There's lots of different brands of foam sanding discs, but RUPES is called X-Cut. We have 1500, 2000 grit, and 3000 grit, and they come in different diameters for different tools. So this is a 6-inch. We also have a 3-inch for smaller, tighter areas.
So once you get done with sanding, what's the process? What's the next step in the process?
Well, we would take some form of a polisher, either a rotary, a gear-driven orbital, or a random orbital, and then you would remove the sanding mark. And once that sanding mark is removed, you should have really clear, high gloss surface, whether it's gel coat or automotive clears on cars.
So RUPES has all the products we need to get started, finish it out, and go for that perfect look that we're looking for.
That's right.
Okay, great. So what would you say would be your #1 tip to give somebody if they were just starting out with sanding?
Well, I would say go to a class. Go learn how to do this. It's really not that complicated, like I said, but there is some things you need to learn, and just so you don't get into trouble, because it is sandpaper. But go to a class, learn how to do it, and once you get that professional guidance, then it should be easy.
So something
going.
that's hands-on.
Yeah.
Somebody instructing you from over your shoulder, giving you good technique.
Yeah.
Great, I like it. Thanks for all that information. If you have questions about these products and more from RUPES, you can visit autogeek.com.